Hello, Tostile, everyone. So, firstly, I want to say I'm very sorry for all my followers, those who are watching my videos and learning from my videos. So I couldn't make a videos for a few days. So now I'm back. So I will try to teach, make a more videos about teachings. Okay. So today here I'm going to teaching. 제장, 인장, 임በ송장. So in Tibetan, these three are same meaning. Okay, in English is a therefore or thus or so. Or another way, 제장, 예장, 예በ송장. So it's exactly same meaning, but yinjang, yinbasongjang is a more saying if things are like I am, he is, she is, that is, if meaning is like that, and then we use yinjang, yinbasongjang. Okay, and then yejang, yebasongjang means if the meaning is like someone have something, like I have something, I don't have something, and then he or she have something, or someone is somewhere. Okay, so in that kind of situation, we use yezang, yebsongzang. Okay, so more detail I will teach with the examples. Okay, so here, 최장, 인장, 임በ송장. Okay, so nga machen yin 최장 칼락 수기에. I'm cook, so or therefore I'm cooking. And then another way of writing yinjang in one sentence. Okay, nga machen yinjang kalak sugiye. I'm cook, so or therefore I'm cooking. So exactly same meaning. Okay, another way of writing nga machen yinbasongjang kalak sugiye. Exactly same meaning, that I'm cook, so I'm cooking. Okay, so and then another examples are here. 제장, 예장, 예바송장. So have, don't have something. Okay, so here ngala lega 망부예. I have many work. 제장 뒤쯤에. So I don't have time. Okay. Another way of writing, ngala lega mangbu yezang 뒤쯤에. I have many work, so I don't have time. And then another one, ngala lega mangbu yeba 송장 뒤쯤에. I have many work, so I don't have time. So, okay, so this is the today's lesson, and then see you all in next video. Thank you.